Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. So let's get started with our today's video. First you have to make a braid in the form of a ponytail as shown. After making the braid, you have to separate the hair follicles as shown. After separating those hair follicles, see, you are done with your first hairstyle. Now let's get started with the next hairstyle. You have to first take braids from the front ends, and after making it, you have to make a perfect and fine braid at the end, and then your hairstyle has been done. Now take the front ends of your hairs, a ponytail like this. After making a ponytail, you can wrap it around like this and your bun is ready. Now crisscross the hair strands like this, and after crisscrossing it, you have to make this hairstyle by following these simple easy steps as being shown in this video. Now tie the remaining hairs like this and make a perfect bun. First make a braid at the top, and after making a braid, you have to join them all together and roll it in the form of a bun. Now the front ends of your hair follicles are to be taken, and after doing that, you can simply cross them all together. See how beautiful it looks, and then you have to simply make a bun like this. Now first take this in the exact manner, and after doing that, you have to make a braid as shown in this video. Overlap it and your bun is ready. After doing this step, you have to separate the hair follicles with your fingers like this. Then you can make a frizz-free hairstyle like this. See how beautiful and smooth these hairs look along with this hairstyle. Make a braid in this manner and see, you are done with this. Make a ponytail first and divide your hairs into 3 equal parts, then do the process as being shown of making a bun like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.